Okay. Oh my god, you guys, my nephew is staring at me through the window. He's so cute. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go pick up my sister. She is getting our winter tires taken off of our car. It's basically June, but because of everything that's been going on, all the appointments were pushed back till super late. So I'm gonna go pick her up, and then I'm gonna come back home, and I'm just gonna take you through a day in my life working. So I'm just gonna go to the dealership, I'm gonna pick her up, and then I'll update you guys a little later when I'm working. Guys, so we're gonna go pick up the car. Like I told you guys, we were getting the tires changed, and then we're gonna go to homesense, so I'm gonna take you along. They've been going to homesense already since they opened, but I haven't been yet, so I'm excited to go.
No, we got to go a day early.
You guys got to go a day early?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we were driving by and then we realized there was a member event.
Oh,
we're not really members, but the girl gave us a card, so we went to 2 Marshalls.
They got really cute stuff, you guys. They actually did. I was roasting them for it earlier, but now I realize it was really cute. Ian wants to kill me. Okay, so yeah, we'll update you guys when I get to homesense. You want to say hi, Hoya? Just say hi. Okay. Okay, you guys, so we're in homesense. We just got in. We had to wait in line. I look crazy because it's raining outside. They're only letting a certain amount of people in at a time. So the store's pretty empty, which is nice. And we're just shopping. You want to say hi, Marika? My mom's off doing her own thing, and my sisters went to a different homesense. So yeah, I'll update you guys later if we end up buying some stuff. Guys, we just got home. And me and Mike are gonna make some plantains now, and we're also gonna do some baking, I think. We want to bake because we're watching the season finale of Defending Jacob, this show that we started on Apple TV, and I'm so excited, and I want to have a snack to eat with watching the show. I'm making that. Okay, well, I wanted to make the plantains too, though.
Well, I thought you were gonna make us dessert.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna make a dessert too, but like I can only do so much, and like.
Okay, the thing is I have to put her down.
Okay, well, how long does this take to cook? Okay, guys, my sister got this pizza crust mix from Walmart,
and we have done it from hand.
Yeah, usually I make it from scratch with we have pizza yeast, and I'll just like make it. But today she bought this, so we're gonna try making this pizza. You just add oil, water, and salt. And I'm also making plantains. Should I show you guys what our plantains? Yeah, this is what they're supposed to look like. I swear, I saw a picture.
You're lying.
This is what our plantains.
What is this?
Marika said she would help me all of a sudden.
Where is this?
It's the product number for the couch.
I'm gonna put it for stuff.
Well, yeah, it's nice. You don't think it's nice?
Where are you gonna put it in that room?
That room.
Okay.
This. Instead of the World Concepts coach.
You're joking, right?
Okay, guys, so we're also going to be making some plantains that we have been letting get ripe. It's really, really ripe. Honestly, I don't know if it's too ripe, but I'm going to try making them, and I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, you guys, so this is editing me coming to tell you guys that the plantains were never made. They were too ripe, like way too ripe. And when I would try peeling them, they would just kind of like mush up. So I opted out and I didn't make plantains, but I did make brownies instead. Okay guys, I'm emptying out the packet into the bowl. So I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. Oh, actually, I need to know what. That's a lie, because I need the measurements of how much water and salt. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Here's our extra virgin olive oil. So, we got these new measuring things. They're really cute. There's 1 tablespoon. And there's 2. I need to know what 350 milligrams is in cups. 315 ml. in cups. It is 1.331 US cups. Okay, you guys, so 1 cup is 250 milliliters, so I'm gonna do 250, and then we have 65 ml. So we're gonna do, so that's about 65 milliliters, so I'm gonna add that in. And then the last step is 10 grams of salt, which would be considered what? I'm just gonna do 2 teaspoons. I feel like that's gonna be enough salt. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's all done and like properly kneaded, so I will update you guys in a little bit. This thing to make, and originally we were gonna make brown butter cookies, but it's gonna take too long. It's gonna take like 2 hours.
Let's do it.
No, Monica, it's too late. It's actually really late, so we're just gonna make brownies instead. I'm gonna leave the brownie recipe in the description box below, and I'll show you guys when it's done, because it's gonna be too long to insert a whole clip of me baking the brownie. And honestly, I'm just like, I need to focus to make this brownie quick so we can eat this after we eat our pizza and while we watch the finale. It's been 3 months since we've eaten out, so that's why we've become experts at making things at home. We know how to, what did we learn how to do? We know how to make our own pizza. We know how to make our own pizza. We made our own boba. We made every single dessert you could ever think of. What else have we made?
Pasta.
Yeah, pasta.
Oh, wow, we're basic.
Fresh pasta though, like we made it.
Oh yeah.
We're kind of basic. What else have we made?
That's about it, girl.
Pancakes. Malika perfected her pancake recipe. We made baklava. What else? A lot. Wow, we thought we were so extravagant.
Yes. When you say that, let us know.
We know how to make really good coffee. Okay, guys, so here's the brownie before it goes into the oven. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. It looks really good. I tasted the batter and it actually tastes so yummy. My mouth is kind of watering. So I'll update you guys when the pizza's ready and we're eating. Guys, we finished the pizza. I didn't film it because honestly,
We ate too fast.
we ate really fast. So I didn't get a chance to film it, but I took an Instagram picture. Well, not Instagram picture. I just took a picture on my phone. I will insert the pictures right here. They turned out really good. We have some leftover dough that we're gonna make tomorrow, and now my brownie is in the oven baking. You guys, look at it. Ooh, look at this brownie. She's looking good. We put some chocolate on top. And then we're gonna watch Defending Jacob, which I've been talking about all this time. And then I have to do my skincare routine tonight, you guys. I really have to do it. I haven't been doing it the past couple nights. And look at my skin. It's just like my texture's coming back. I think I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight here. I'll check back in with everyone tomorrow. And I'll show you guys kind of what I'm up to during the morning. Okay, you guys, so it's the next morning. I wanted to show you guys something really exciting. Guys, our Nespresso machine that we've had since 2015 broke the last week of Ramadan. And you guys, we have been living on coffee in quarantine. We have not purchased any coffee from any like outside restaurant or establishment at all since this entire quarantine. So our coffee game has been elite. Like, we've literally perfected our coffee. It's so freaking good. We don't go to Starbucks. We have Starbucks at home, and I feel like our coffee is better than Starbucks 100%. Yeah. So Malika realized that there was a sale online, and Nespresso never have sales from what she's told me, and she was like, we have to get it. It's a sign. Like, literally ours broke, and then
it was like half price. Yeah,
it was literally half off, and a couple days later they had the sale. So Nespresso, you guys, has 2 main lines. They have the original, which is only espresso, and then they also have the Vertuo line, which is like you can get coffee pods, and it's just more versatile. And under the Vertuo line, because we don't just drink espresso, we like to drink coffee as well, so we got the Vertuo line, but the one that we got was the original, and we would have gotten the automatic ones. But with our family, we just have the worst luck when it comes to like expensive items. I feel like we always have the worst luck and stuff tends to break, so we just stuck with the original one that we got in 2015 because it lasted us for 6 years. It was 6 years, almost 6 years. It lasted us for almost 6 years, and it's just, we trust it, we know it works, we know it tastes good. The only difference is that the finish is a glossy black finish, so I'm gonna show you guys that. But before I show you guys that, I just really quickly wanted to touch on the Black Lives Matter movement and everything that's going on. I've been following it really closely, like most of us have, and I wanted to say I'm going to leave some links in the description box of like grassroots organizations that you guys can donate to. Obviously, if you have the means to. I know everyone is not in the best financial situation right now, so if you have the means to, I urge you to donate. I also want to say that you guys should be educating yourself more on this. Regardless of your race, everybody should be angry and passionate about about this issue. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the machine now. Okay, you guys, so this is our old Nespresso machine that we've had for literally 6 years, and this is what I meant by the other ones were automatic and this one isn't. This is like a manual. You actually have to close it and like lock it manually, but the other ones are automatic and it just looks a lot more sleek. But for our family, you guys, this is just better in terms of like durability, and this is the new one that we got, so it's literally exactly the same as you can see. The only difference is that it's like black here and black back here. We thought the whole thing was going to be black, but this still looks so nice and super sleek. So yeah, I'm really excited to start using this. Honestly, you guys, if I can get any Nespresso machine, I would have gotten the Creatista, and I'm gonna put a picture of it here. It's so beautiful, but like I said, for our family, it just does not work. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I told you guys, I post new videos every Friday and Monday. This week was a little bit different just because I honestly wasn't in the right mindset to film like a happy video and to put makeup on. I just wanted to keep it real and do a vlog and just show you guys a bit more into my life. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys on Monday.